Yo, 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 new update. Update 2025, 23. Update 23 is here. That is insane. We get all the new working codes. I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know. So be sure to like and subscribe. The first code that you actually want to redeem is probably update 23, which is actually pretty obvious. 7th style slot, new secret. There you go, secret. That's crazy. Taichou. Taichou. Beibengshou. Taichou. Aizheng. Aizheng. Mujin. Muchin. Aizheng. Go to the shop, open up your shop, go to the codes. Right now we will be typing in every single code, but first, if you do need a style slot, be sure to comment down below Taichou. Comment down below Taichou, so you can actually win yourself a free style slot right away. A lot of people be winning some style slots today. Announcements. If we hit 250,000, we run a lucky spin giveaway. W? For real? Okay, so we're getting a lucky style giveaway as well. Super amazing. I love it. I'm just wondering. The first code is update 23. I already knew this. I actually already knew this. Update 2023. The next code that you want to redeem is Pro Tori 50k. Pro Tori. Shaboom. 50 lucky spins. That is a lot. That is actually a lot of lucky spins. Let's go. And we got Taichou Yen. Wait, this is the first yen code ever to be seen. 1,000 yen. Yo, 1,000 yen. Taichou shells. Taichou. 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 Taichou shells. 500 shells. These are all the codes that you can actually redeem inside of Volleyball Legends. Haikyuu Legends. Haikyuu Legends. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.